back to the 60s and do Simon and Garfunkel's Sound of Silence.
Feel free to fall. We'll catch you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. 'Cause a visions of me creeping left me seat while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, the narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of the street lamp light, I turn my heart to the golden down. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that took the night and touched the sound of silence. Naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Who said you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arm that I might reach you. But the words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed